And while doing some of the electrical engineering sort of prereqs and stuff, I ended up deciding to take some computer science classes and ended up switching my major there. Though I didn't end up finishing that either. I left with like 3 classes left. So yeah.
What was the academic, value of studying computer science in college versus practical application? Like, what would you say is the balance there that you kind of need to be a software developer?
That is a good question. While I was in college, the program at the time, the program has been changed a lot, but at the time was fairly outdated, honestly. I had a professor tell me, "You'll never use this, but I don't want to learn the new stuff." Uh, so, in terms of like learning the latest technology, it probably wasn't very valuable. Anything that I've ever used, I learned on my own outside of school. Um, but learning a lot of the, we'll say, programming fundamentals in terms of, I mean, even just understanding how little changes in code make a huge difference in performance. Or, one of my favorite classes, and maybe this fits because I came from, I liked mechanical and then electrical. One of my favorite classes was understanding how you go from, this hardware, how that creates these, electrical circuits, and then you eventually end up with the binary code, and how binary code can eventually become, these electrical gates become ones and zeros, which become eventually assembly code, and suddenly C seems like this incredible, amazing thing rather than this old, outdated thing you wouldn't want to use. That class was fascinating